Hello children, in the previous video, I have explained you few rules of how to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Now we are going to continue with the same rules. Now rule number 5 is when the positive word ends with vowel plus y, we add er and est to form comparative and superlative degree. I will give you an example regarding this. Before that, I told you when a positive word ends with consonant plus y. Now I am telling you when a positive word ends with vowel plus y. Like for example, gay. This is a positive, this is the comparative, and this is superlative degree. The word is ending with y, but before y there is a vowel a. So when we will change it into comparative degree, we will write G-A-Y-E-R. E-R will be added. And in superlative degree, G-A-Y-E-S-T. E-S-T will be added in the superlative degree. In this consonant plus y, where the positive word ends with consonant plus y, there we used to remove y and we used to add IER in comparative degree and IEST in the superlative degree. But here the case is different. In positive word which ends with vowel plus y, where the word ends with y but there is a vowel before y, then we are not going to remove y here. We will only add ER in the comparative degree and EST in the superlative degree. Like one more example, grey. It is ending with y, but before y there is a vowel E. So grayer, ER is added. Greyest, EST is added. Next rule is when the positive word is long. Long means it contains two or more syllables. Children, syllables means a word which has two parts, like useful. The word useful, it is having two parts, use and full. Useful. So a word with the positive word, when the positive word is long or it is having two or more syllables, then we add more before the adjective to form comparative degree and most before the adjective to form superlative degree. Now children, here you can see the word useful is given. The word useful is, you can say, is having two words, use and full, means it is having two syllables. So this is a positive degree, and when we are going to change it into superlative degree, we will write more useful, not superlative in comparative degree, more useful. More is added here. Then most useful in superlative degree. Now next rule is, children, there are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative degree from their positive degrees. Means you can say they are irregular degrees of comparison. I will explain you this again, that there are, children, some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative degrees from the positive degree. Like for example, I will give you, this is the positive degree, this is the comparative, and this is a superlative. I will give you example: good, better, best. In this, children, neither ER is added in comparative degree nor EST is added. Neither R is added or neither ST is added. Nothing is added like that. Here they are irregular. These are the irregular degrees of comparison. One more example I will give you for this: bad, worse, worst. So these are the irregular degrees of comparison, where the positive degree is changed to comparative degree and superlative degree by not adding er or est. Nothing is added here. So these are called irregular degrees of comparison. So children, this was all there regarding the rules of how to form the comparative and superlative degrees. So in the next video we will start with the book exercises of this lesson. Thank you.